Hey guys, welcome to my channel Soil and Margaritas. My garden is located in Zone 5 here in central Indiana, and today I am really enjoying this fun project that I'm about to start. A few years ago I saw a picture that Linda Butter from Portage blog posted on her Instagram, and I think she actually made a video on her YouTube. If you're not following Linda, you are missing out. Go ahead and check her out. I will post links to her YouTube and her Instagram here. She posted a picture about this table with a bunch of levels. I think she had 2 or 3 levels on top of the main table, and she had a bunch of terracotta pots with plants, and it was gorgeous. She got inspired by somebody else, because normally that's how it happens. But I remember when she posted that picture, I was just in love, and I told myself one day I'm just gonna have like a little corner somewhere with a bunch of terracotta pots, and I am just going to make it work for me. Early this spring, I found a Facebook post on the marketplace where this lady was selling a bunch of terracotta pots in smaller sizes like this. Not really sure what size this is. I think this is like a 4-inch, and she had some bigger ones. This one is actually cracked, and I mean, she had like a great deal. I think that I got like a whole bucket full of terracotta pots for like $12 or something crazy like that. So I told myself this year was going to be the year where I make something along those lines, inspired by Linda. I am easily inspired by people. So that's what I'm going to be working today. I found a bunch of things that I wanted kind of like to crawl down. Some other things I had, like these heucheras. I'll be showing you names here when I am putting them in their containers. And I also got a couple of annuals. But a lot of plants here are perennials. They will be coming back next year. I am not going to leave them in these terracotta pots because more than likely they will crack in the winter if I leave these pots outside. So here in the late fall, I am going to move all of my perennials in the ground somewhere where I am, I know that they will be coming back next year. And then obviously the annuals are just gonna go in the trash. But I'm really excited. So I am going to be putting these in containers, and I'm going to be adding names and all of that information. I love this sedum, especially. I'm very excited about this sedum. This is the one that my lady has currently right now. So I know that this one does really well in my zone. they came out pretty good, you guys. I really love the look, how everything is combined together. And I am going to go ahead and give it a bunch of water because these containers definitely need it. And I more than likely will be watering every day, if not every other day. I know it's a hassle, but I'm here and I'm available for watering. So thank you for being here. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, go ahead and like, comment, and share with your friends. All that good stuff. Thank you.